Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. In this video I'll show you how I cracked this low quality, low cost safe. A digital safe with a tubular lock. A digital safe with a tubular lock with just my bare hands. It's quite unbelievable really. Stand by. Here's a little safe. It's got a electronic lock, but that is the battery's flat, and then in here, open, in here there's a key for a tubular lock, but that of course too is well, I don't have the key for it, so there it is. That's it open. What's in here? We've got some little fixings. No key unfortunately, but it just shows you what's involved with these things. I don't wish to lock it again, but I wonder if I can get in from the back. I might be able to take the tubular core out. I don't, I'm kind of laughing because I thought I'd make a video. I've just watched a video on YouTube about how to use a tubular core picking tool to open one of these, and of course I haven't got one of those, but I read the comments, and when I read the comments it said with these electronic ones there's a solenoid in there that's activated by the battery, or deactivated by the battery, and just tapping it like that, dropping it on the ground can open it. And I thought it was worth a try. It's just bloody unreal. Like that, this, I don't know what these cost, 20, 25 pounds, that kind of money, maybe 40. Wow, it's kind of obscene. That's it locked again. Might have just been a fluke, you know. This way's back. Might have just been a fluke. It might be more difficult to do when the lock is open like that. Let's have a look at what's in here. Yeah, there's 4 batteries, and there's moisture in there. It looks like it's wet. I'd say this thing's knackered, but what I am thinking is, oh, there's a little red button in there as well. I wonder what that does. I guess it's part of the safe system somehow. What this would be good for, I reckon, is just to put in the corner of a room with a concrete block, or well, a few bricks in the bottom, some bits of chain or something like that, and some metal washers, so it sounds like maybe a book or something. So it's heavy, and it sounds like there's some jewellery or something in it, and that way you might think, you know, that if you were a thief and you came into the house, you might go for this because it looks like a safe. Try that one more time. I can't figure out if it's going to work now. There it is. It's done it again. So that was even with the door open. It can be, not that you'd ever want to open it with the door open, but if you had it stuck, locked, open, so you can, from this position you can shut it, but once you shut it, it'll kind of trip or trigger that lock inside. Would I give it a review? Well, it was Lockpicking Lawyer's video that I watched, and he gave a similar Amazon Basics or Amazon Essentials model, something like that, a really good review. You can hear my sarcasm. I don't have the key. If it had the key, it would be a good little safe box. It's not a lock. It's not a safe. It's just a deterrent. It's just a little, like, it's only 2mm thick steel. The door is quite beefy around there, but it's not by any means substantial. You could cut through it with an angle grinder. It's not in any way secure, obviously. Such as, I guess, like if you had it anchored using these bolts into concrete, you can't do that tapping motion, but you probably can. If it's on a wooden floor, you could probably shock it with a hammer if you had a hammer to do that tapping. I'm just bizarrely surprised at that. It's just obscene that this could be sold as a safe rather than as a decoration. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.